Here I'm going to embed a Google form, which is kind of interesting. If you use Google Forms to gather student information, or some teachers have been using it for actual assessments, it's a pretty handy tool. Now, again, I am in just a regular old content page. There's nothing on here. I'm just going to type in some random text. And I've created a Google form that's just real general, could just be used for student information. If you're a math teacher, I threw in a field for your calculator serial number, so that might be a good way to get information from them. Maybe you want this kind of a thing on your opening page, or a page, an introductory page for your class. Who knows? So what I'm going to do is go to my Google Docs, and that's where I've got the form created. And this one happens to be called Student Information, very creatively. And there's one student that has tried it, and that's me, just for goofing around sake. But what I want is not the link to this. I actually want that form. And I'll go to the live form. You don't really need this for the embedding, but I just want to show it to you as some background knowledge. That's what the student would see if you gave them the link. And again, you could post this link. They could click on it and go to the form. Or if I go to edit the form, and once again, embedding is just, a lot of times the hardest part of it is finding where different websites or different companies put that embed code. And so here I am at the, actually if I wanted to, I could edit the form itself. I could, change these fields and the ID numbers and the light and email, but that's actually where I'm manipulating the form. You go under More Actions, and there's that magic word, embed. And it says paste this into your blog or website. I'm going to just copy it. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go to my page here, and once again I'm just going to click on this HTML tag. I'm going into under the hood of the website. Don't need to worry about any of that stuff. I'm just hitting paste. That's all you need to do. And then I'm going to go back to design. And that's what your students in general will see. I'm going to make sure I hit save. My changes have been saved. Thank you. And then I want to go into the view mode. And just as an example, a student might come across this, and my name is, my ID number is 12345, my Leiden email is spade, or it's my calculator serial number. I am a 40s detective. And that might be Dashiell Hammett. It might not. I don't know. I'm a former math teacher, but here's the idea. Your students can fill that out and submit. And it says my response has been recorded. Wonderful. And when I go back to student information, there's my student information. So that's about it. That's what you need to do to embed a Google form. And so hopefully that is useful.